welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's take a look at the headlines. Allotting Congress ticket to Pratima from Fatorda won't result in alteration of my plans, says Savio Coutinho, who intends to contest from Madgaon. Vijay says he is a winnable candidate. Murgaon Councillor Kailash Almeida joins the BJP with hundreds of supporters. BJP to start Jan Sampark Yatra from Sunday. Arun Jaitley to kick off the campaign. Moorsagar Express catches fire at Bari. Fire extinguished on time. Major tragedy averted. Dr. Willie says he will contest the forthcoming election if needed. Trinamool plans alliance with parties like Goa Rajiv Congress. Dempo Sports Club scored 2-1 victory over Chirag United in the I-League. And Royal Challengers and Iqbal 11 storm into Babu Brothers T20 finals. And now the news in detail. The confusion in the major and controversial constituency Fatorda has been growing. Plans of some congressmen to allot ticket to Youth Congress President Pratima Coutinho by keeping aside Vijay Sardesai in the constituency have become controversial. Savio Coutinho has clarified that he will go ahead with his plans even if the Congress allots a ticket to Pratima. The Congress leaders have become cautious as situation can turn serious if both husband and wife enter the election fray.
Vijay Sardesai has been working in Fatorda constituency from past 4.5 years. But now there is confusion while allotting ticket in Fatorda constituency. The top three contenders, Vijay, Pratima and MK Sheikh, are still lobbying hard for the ticket. Vijay is confident of grabbing the ticket and winning the seat in Fatorda.
आणि म्हाका खबर आहा की अजून मेरेन काय फायनलाइज जावून म्हाका फेथ आहा आमच्या हाय कमांडान की that they will see that all aspects of winnability because nobody can afford to lose seats आणि ते राइट डिसिजन घेतले अशें म्हाका विश्वास आसा.
ओके. आणि समज प्रतिमा दिली जाल्यार तुजे कितें स्टँड आसतलो? तू यू विल सपोर्ट प्रतिमा और तुजो कितें स्टँड आसतलो?
हायपोथेटिकल सिच्युएशन आज म्हाका दिसता की winnability and everything is in my favor and I have full faith in the High Command.
If such thing happens, if Congress...
No, if is when it happens. I have faith and माझे statement असो की आज जो हांव राजकारणान आसा हे फक्त फातोर्डेच्या लोकांच्या आधाराचेर आसा की लोकांचे सेंटिमेंट म्हजे फावराद आहा आणि म्हजो फ्युचर जो आसा राजकारणान तो फातोर्डेच्या लोकांच्या हातान आहा.
But some Congress leaders are planning to allot the ticket to Pratima to sideline Vijay. They also intend to pressurize Savio Coutinho to shelve his plans of contesting from Madgaon. But Savio seems in a different mood.
I would not come in the way of whatever decision Pratima takes, and neither will she be bound to wait for my say. She'll have the freedom to decide whatever her leadership tells her. Nevertheless, at the same time, I've served Madgaon for the last 15 years, and I also would be having a role to play in Madgaon. And her decision, whatever she takes, shall not have any binding on the role that I am supposed to play in Madgaon. And time, in due course, like I will reveal whatever I have planned.
But word is out from Pratima's camp that she will grab the opportunity and contest from Fatorda if given the ticket. It will be interesting to see who wins the race. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
More and more people are entering the BJP with every passing day. Murgaon Councillor Kailash Almeida, Advocate Joaquin D'Souza and hundreds of their supporters have joined the party. They claim that they are not happy with the Congress. BJP will launch its 16-day Jan Sampark Abhiyan from Sunday. Union BJP leader Arun Jaitley will kickstart this campaign.
As the election is approaching nearer, BJP is getting strengthened with new entrants in the party. Murgaon councillor Carlos Almeida and advocate Joki D'Souza along with their innumerous supporters joined the BJP on Saturday. Carlos had quit BJP few years back. This is a homecoming for him. Carlos is ready to contest from Vasco and advocate Joaquim D'Souza is ready to be BJP's new candidate. Both have pledged to work for BJP even if ticket is denied to them.
I realized because of this party policies, the affair of the Congress rule, I made my stand clear and even now I'm making my stand clear. Our party joined as a party worker.
Joki D'Souza claimed that the BJP is not a communal party.
I have joined the BJP party because I have found that Congress government has failed in this entire period to provide the public with the goods. These are my hopes and aspirations that BJP party will work for it and give the necessary goods to the public. Why they should point out to the saying the BJP is doing this, doing that, we are communal. I have not seen it. So this is what I want to point out to the public.
BJP is launching its massive Jan Sampark Abhiyan from Sunday and it will go on till 30th January. BJP's national leader Arun Jaitley will start this Abhiyan.
ह्या अभियानातून ह्या सरकारच्या विरोधात असलेले जो गोष्टी असतात ते सरकारचा भ्रष्टाचार असतात सरकारची लक्तरा रस्त्यावर घालप हे असतात पण त्याचबरोबर भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्यो फुडल्या काळा खातीर कितें दृष्टी आसा कितें दृष्टिकोन आसा योजना कितें आसात.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
The vestibule area between two bogies of Ajmer-Ernakulam bound Murusagar Express caught fire on Saturday afternoon. The train took halt at Bari railway station after the fire intensified and the fire extinguisher had to be used to control it. Exact cause of the fire is not confirmed yet, but a major tragedy was averted. Meanwhile, a supermarket owned by Frankie Sequeira and a fast food outlet owned by Teresine Fernandez caught fire at Kolva.
Ajmer-Ernakulam bound train left for Madgaon at 2:38 in the afternoon. When it reached near Pazarkhand in Kukadi, passengers of AC compartment noticed smoke coming out from the vestibule area of the train. Passengers pulled the train and tried to extinguish the fire with available extinguishers in the compartment. After passengers' firefighting act, the train took a halt at Bari railway station, where Konkan Railway Police, KRC officials, fire brigade officials and 108 was ready to tackle the situation. The fire was brought under control immediately. Engineer inspected the train for around 1.5 hours and later the train left for Ernakulam.
But some of the fire extinguishers are not working without the gas fill.
Fire extinguisher are not working.
Yeah, without gas fill. So that's also we are taken from the other compartment, other ghosts. Some of the passengers.
Who pulled the chain?
Huh?
Who pulled the chain?
In our compartment.
आवाज आई कि आग लग गई तो बाहर गाड़ी शोर मचा गया था तो गाड़ी रोकी सभी को पहले बाहर निकाला देखा कि आग लगी तो कुछ लोग यहाँ पे पीछे फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर से लेके उसको बुझाने में लगे लेकिन ऊपर से काबू में नहीं आ रही है.
Meanwhile, massive fire has destroyed a supermarket owned by Frankie Sequeira and a fast food joint owned by one Teresine Fernandez at Kolva on Saturday. Reason behind the fire is still not known. Frankie Sequeira doubts a political motive behind this fire. Frankie Sequeira will be contesting from Banauli while Teresine is a member of Kolva Consumer Forum.
कोणा खबर ना हांव पॉलिटिक्सान हा सगळे जाण आहे आता कोणें हें केलें आमची दुश्मनी काडपाक कितें करपाक म्हणून कांय नका पण एक व्हडले मेसेज आमचे गोंयकारां लागून कितें बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रीक डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटा हें शॉर्ट सर्कीट जावंक ना म्हणून सो आतां तुमी चिंता हें केहें जालें आसतलें आयज म्हजें दुकान जवयलें फाल्यां लोकांक जवयतले मी अजून पासून एस्टिमेट करूंक ना बट अरावंड 40 लॅक्साचे वयरूच आसा दिसता म्हाका ओके बिकॉज आमचे कंप्युटर फ्रिजीस AC फूल इलेक्ट्रिकल आयटम्स सगळे काबार जाला आणि सगळे आमचे वस्तू बिस्तू सगळे काबार झाले.
A reporter from Kukadi and Kolva, Samir Bhatt.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.